Hello. Alright, for now I would like to discuss practice questions time in the open learning that I have uploaded. If you go to the questions at the bottom, I would like to discuss on some word problems that will be in your exam. So for this one, let's check out question 8. Okay. John started his cooking class at 16:45 and it lasted for 2 hours and 20 minutes. What time did the cooking class end? Okay, so for this kind of question, you need to remember started his cooking class. Okay, you need to take out the keywords. Okay, so started the cooking class, start time would be 16:45. Okay, because it says here it started. Okay, so then that would be start time 16:45. And then it says here it lasted for 2 hours and 20 minutes. So that means lasted meaning it's the elapsed time. Okay, elapsed time. 2 hours and 20 minutes. Now we are looking for the end time. Right, we're looking for the end time. So as I mentioned previously, end time, in order for you to find end time, you just need to add the number, add the start time with the elapsed time. Start time plus, let me write it again, end time is always like this. Okay, you need to remember, you just need to add start time with the elapsed time. Elapsed time. So how are you gonna add this? Just 2 hours 20 minutes. If you write it, remember we have 4 digits, always 4 digits for the hours and then for the minutes. Okay, so the minutes is 20 minutes, so you just write 20. And then 2 hours, you just write, it will become 02. Okay, or you can just put 2, easier. Okay, and then start time 16:45. Then you put the add. Then you just add. Simply add. Now you will be adding 5 plus 0, you get 5. 4 plus 2, you will get 6. And then 6 plus 2, you will get 8. And then you will get 1. So now, you see you got this time. Okay, this is the time, the end time. But now, as I mentioned previously, if you have at the back here, in the minutes, this is minutes, right? Okay, in the minutes, if you have numbers above 59, you need to minus with 60. Right, so 65 is bigger than 59 and it's above 59. So like this, it's above. Numbers bigger, 60 bigger than 59. So you need to minus this number here with 60. So 65 minus 60. This 65, you just take it and then you minus with 60 and then you will get 05. Okay. Once you minus with 60, you need to add 1 to this. Okay. After that, number 1 add. Number 1 you add, right? Number 2 you check in the minute if the number is bigger than 59, you need to minus 60. Number 3, add 1. If you have minus this one, so you need to add 1 to the hours. So 18, the answer you got here, 18, you add with 1, so you will get 19. Okay, so then you just rewrite the whole answers again. It will be, you just combine. Okay, how do you combine? This one is the hours, so you start with the hours first. And then this one is the minute, then you write the minute. That is your final answer. Okay, so then let's talk about question 10. Okay, question 10 you were looking for. Question 10, it says you're scheduled to start at 9 a.m. Okay, due to delays it started 35 minutes later. Okay, what time did the meeting actually start? This one is also the same thing. Okay, you have the start time should be 9 a.m. but then it delays, so this 35 minutes means the elapsed time. So now you're looking for end time. So same thing as end time, you need to do this whole thing like this one. First thing, you just add start time with the elapsed time. Second thing, if your number at the back bigger than 59, you minus with 60. After that, once you minus, you need to add 1 to the hours. If you don't minus anything, so that means that would be your final answer. Okay, like for this one, we just need to start with the elapsed time, right? So we just add 9 plus 35 minutes, well, it would be at the back lah. Okay, so then you just add 35, 5, 3, and 9. Okay, and then you can see that here, numbers at the back is 35, which is below numbers in the minutes here. Okay, here, minutes here, which is 35. It is below than 59. So if it's below, you don't need to do anything. You just add. You just do the first step only. You just add, and this will be your final answer. Okay, this is already your final answer, so you don't have to do anything. You don't have to do minus the 60, add the number 1, no need. Okay, that is the final answer already. If your minutes is below than 59.